Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. We'll be picking few cards, guys, for your daily energies, for your career situation, and your love energies, guys. So, first for your daily energies, these are for your daily energies, Aquarius, and we'll be picking one card each for your career situation and your love energy, guys. So this is for your career situation and this card is for your love reading, and one card from the Rumi Oracle guidance deck. So that is the guidance card. We will open that card at last, so I'll keep that card here. So we will start the reading now, guys. Aquarius, for your daily energies, what are the cards? We will turn the cards now, guys. It's two of moons in reverse. It's five of moons in reverse and seven of spheres in reverse again, guys. With these cards, Aquarius, in your situation today, certain circumstances are making you worry about your future, what may come about, and you are finding it really difficult to find a good solution to your problems, guys. So this may relate to your career situation or your personal life situation, Aquarius. So some kind of troubles you are facing today, and it may be in your career you are not having that clear understanding between the people you work with. That teamwork may not be there, guys, and maybe for some of your that communication may be the problem here. So you need to have that clear communication in your work or in your personal life, so with the people you are with, because of some clash of ideas or how you think, maybe that common ground, you are not able to work out that common ground in your career or in your relationship. That may be the reason for some kind of stressful situation, because of this wrong communication happening. And in your situation there are people who are really, what to say, they are really jealous of you, greedy of greedy, they feel greedy, and they want to take over your position, and they may be working against you, guys. That may be the reason for these cards. You have to be really careful, Aquarius. That is what I see. But there is also hope in these cards. Maybe you are coming to an understanding. There are people, true friends in your situation, who are ready to help you. This may be your person who is offering this hope or help, someone coming with truth to guide you, and also you are healing from your past, whatever past wounds that you had, and that may be the reason that you were feeling really stressed in some situation, maybe of these past hurtful situations or circumstances that you have faced in life. So that is what I see with this card, guys. This is an important card in this reading. So looks like you are healing from your past, whatever that was. So this understanding is coming with the help of a friend, someone from your family, or you yourself are coming to an understanding the reason for this hurt. So that was the reason for certain stressful situations, and you are overcoming that. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you are seeing your family members, somebody, maybe after many years, or maybe a past person, guys, your ex. You're seeing them after a long time. That is what I see here. And you are having a good talk with them. You are communicating with them whatever you want to tell them. That is what I see with these cards, Aquarius. So what is the card for your career situation, guys? So we will turn the card now. It is the Sun. This is a very positive card here, guys. So in your situation today, I feel that you are moving towards a positive, vibrant life in your career situation. So you will be very happy how things are, how you see things are just falling into place. You have that happiness, contentment in your work situation. So that confidence and courage is there, and that well-being, maybe it may also relate to your general energy. Things are getting back to normal. So with this card, with the previous cards, we saw that you are healing from some kind of hurtful past or some kind of stressful past that you had. And with this card, that is the energy, guys. You are getting an understanding in your difficult situation, and you are able to see the true state of affairs in your work or in your daily life again. So that is what I see here. So lots of positive things are coming with this card, guys. You are seeing your bright future. You are engaged in that work that you love, and you have that optimism, confidence and courage in anything you do, and you have that general understanding and clarity in your situation, Aquarius. That is what I see with that card. So what is the card for your relationship, guys? So we will turn the card now. It's 12 of Moons, guys. Initiate. That is that card. With this card, Aquarius, in your situation, this person you are in connection with, the energy with this card is they cannot be trusted, guys. They may be very cunning. They are trying to trick you in some ways. They are very charming on the outer, maybe their physical appearance and their charm may be the reason for your attraction towards them, but they do not have that true love on you. They are in this relationship just to make use of you, have fun. They are not in this relationship for love, guys. That is what I see with this card. So deception is what this card is for. That is the love energy with that card, guys. So let us see what is your card, the Oracle Guidance, the Rumi Oracle Guidance. So these cards may or may not relate to your situation right now, guys, but it is something that we can follow as a guidance that will help us each and every day. So let us see what is the card. Arise. So this is the card here for your general guidance. The guidance with this card, Aquarius, you are asked to trust, have trust and let go of the suffering, whatever that you have faced till now, and the labels. Then people have called you as a failure in life, and some doubts that you had about yourself and losses and all that setbacks. This is the time for you to put them all aside, guys. Give all that up, because there is no use in holding on to that, because beyond that expiry date, guys. So you have to let that go, otherwise it will taint and poison you. So it is the time for us to focus on what is necessary for us today, and keep that alive, guys, whatever that is positive in our life. So we have to go for that, the present. So this card comes with a special message. You have been downtrodden for long enough. You would have felt defeated and underestimated in your life, guys. Um People would have put you down in your spirit. So, all that, and also your own doubts and fears, whatever you had. So, enough of all that. It is time for you to have that hope in your heart, have optimism in your spirit, and understand that your dawn is nearing and you're just going to rise like the sun and begin a new day happily. So, this is the time, guys. So, you need to step up and see the happiness and optimism flowering in your heart, Aquarius. So, that is what this card is about, guys, and that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aquarius.